Welcome to this comprehensive a guide of Qlik and Microsoft Power BI, two of the most popular business intelligence tool on the market. Whether you are data analyst, business leader, or IT professional, choosing the right BI platform is crucial for turning raw data into actionable insight. In this video, we will compare Qlik and Power BI together. Categories like features, ease of use, pricing, and more to help you decide which one is the best for your need. First, let's quickly introduce both tools. Qlik is known for its associative data model, which allow user to explore relationship between data points dynamically. It offers two main products, Qlik View, the legacy platform, and Qlik Sense, its modern cloud-first solution. On the other hand, Power BI, developed by Microsoft, is a user-friendly BI tool that integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem. It's widely praised for its affordability and intuitive drag and drop interface. Now let's break down the strength and weakness side by side. When it's come to data visualization, both tools excel, but in slightly different way. ClickSense use an associative engine that let user uncover hidden connection in the data. This makes it ideal for exploratory analysis and discovering insight you might not have anticipated. Power BI, on the other hand, offer a wide range of pre-built visual and custom dynamic visuals from the marketplace. A drag and drop interface make it easy to create polished database quickly. Now here on the top right, you can just go and click on sign in, and here on the click, you can just go and click on contact us or take as a tour. Here you have to enter the email and then you can start working on it. Ease of use is critical factors when choosing a BI tool. Power BI take the lead here with its intuitive interface and seamless integration. Now Power BI is a product of Microsoft, so you need to have a Microsoft account. As I told you, Power BI take the lead here with its intuitive interface just because there's an integration of Excel and other Microsoft products. Even non-technical user can build dashboards and reports without much training. The learning curve is relatively low, especially for those already familiar with Microsoft tools. ClickSense, on the other hand, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve due to its advanced analytic capabilities. However, once mastered, it offers unparalleled flexibility for complex data exploration. Integration is another key consideration. Power BI shines in environments that rely heavily on Microsoft Power products like Azure, SQL servers, SharePoint, and Office 365. It also supports third-party integration via APIs and connectors. Qlik, meanwhile, is more agnostic and work well with a variety of data sources, including SAP, Salesforce, Google, BigQuery. Its open architecture make it strong choice for organization with diverse tech stacks. If you're deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, Power BI could be the best option, best fit. But if you need broad compatibility, Qlik could be way more. Pricing is where this tool differs significantly. Power BI is known for being budget friendly, especially for small businesses. Power BI start at $10 user per month. For the Pro plan, here you can see $20, and Power BI embedded that is variable, you need to contact them. While Power BI is more affordable upfront, Qlik pricing reflects its enterprise-grade capabilities and scalability. For advanced analytics, QlikSense stand out with its associative engine and cognitive AI capabilities. And if you just go to this pricing section here, let's go to the pricing. Let me just close this up. So here you can see it gives you three options. Now data integration, quality, analytics pricing, and AI ML pricing. So let's say I'll just go with the first one. And the pricing, you need to contact them, right? And if I just go to the pricing for AI ML pricing, still you need to talk to them. Power BI also offer robust AI tools, such as natural language queries and automated machine learning models. These features are accessible even to non-data scientists thanks to its user-friendly design. If you need deeper analytic power, Qlik is the winner. But if you want AI-driven insights without complexities, Power BI delivers. Both tool offers cloud and on-premise deployment option, but they cater to different needs. Power BI best for cloud-first strategies with Azure integration, providing excellent scalability, offer great flexibility for hybrid deployment, making it suitable for enterprise with strict security requirements. If scalability and cloud adoption are priorities, Power BI excel. For organization needing control over the infrastructure, Qlik provide more option. Community support and learning resources play a big role in adoption. Power BI benefits from Microsoft's massive user base, offering extensive documentation, tutorials, and forums. Qlik also has a strong community, but it's smaller compared to Power BI. Both platforms provide certification programs, training materials through Power BI resources are generally more accessible to beginners. So, which tool should you choose? Here a quick summary. Choose Power BI if you value affordability, ease of use, and tight integration with a Microsoft product. Choose Qlik if you need advanced analytics, flexibility, and broader comparability with diverse data sources. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your organization's specific need. If you're still unsure, consider running a pilot project with both tools to see which align better with your goals. Below is the link. You can buy from there and you will get a heavy discount. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video if you found it very helpful. Thanks for watching.